Hi guys, you're from I.M.A here. We're after branching out with a new team called I.M.A, which is Irish Militia Airsoft. They will be doing gameplay videos and they'll be doing gun reviews. And I.M.S will be doing more tactics. So if you want to see tactics, then go to I.M.S, and if you want to see game reviews or gun reviews, go to I.M.A. Killian here is going to pass on and he's going to show you I.M.A, the kit that he got, and then he'll show you the H&K
pistol.
So I'll pass on there to him.
So today we're going to be using the H&K 45C. It is a gas blowback pistol, and it is, what's the word, Troy?
Ambidextrous.
See, I can't pronounce that now, lads.
But you know, like, if you want to say, you know, like in I.M.S, this is how you do it, like ambidextrous brother. Like you have to like break up the words into small little decibels. Go on, anyway.
He's with the fancy words today. So this gas blowback pistol comes in roughly about €195. Couldn't wait for the set. So we have a clip here that holds about 21 BBs if you're lucky. And today we're just going to be firing this, all our members.
Could I ask you a question? Do you know that? What's that called again? Because you said it to me a while ago now.
We have
I
our
just
treads.
pointing out.
We have our treads here, lads.
No, I just wanted to make sure because
I'm copping on now, lads. And we have our safety here, of course. Look at that. Isn't that beautiful now, lads? So we can be safe while we airsoft.
But you know, like, I normally handle the Glocks and 1911s. But on the Glocks and 1911s, could you go there actually? So, the Glocks and 1911s normally had their mag release around there. So around there, like, as a little button, remember?
Yeah.
But like, you're saying to me that the H&K has a unique feature, which is also ambidextrous.
It does. So you can use this with, if you're left-handed, right-handed, you still have access to the mag on both sides. So as you can see, if I can clip this side, still comes out. Same with the safety. Safety works on this side, and it also works through here. So it's a really good gun. I definitely suggest getting it. So this is the H&K 45C.
And this video is not sponsored by anybody. We went down to our local airsoft shop, Hobby Airsoft 511, where the kids say around about. So what we're going to do today, and you can take it away, Ruben, so is we have a few cans, because ourselves, we don't like drinking, like we're on a good Catholic side, like. So what we're going to do is shoot our can, but it's 2 to the head and then you're dead, airsoft rules. So each person, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, my math does it correctly, and you have 2 shots each to try to hit the can of winners. So Ruben, would you like to get away first behind the line, please? Full leg.
Right, so lads, we always want to make sure we have on our safety first, of course. Can't be waving this around. So we're going to start off with our gun pointed at the ground. We're going to bring it up and we're going to aim it out. Keep your arms always straight out in front of you. You want to take off your safety. When you're ready, cock it back and fire.
Shite lad.
No. We can always try it again, see which one's better.
And again. Whoa!
I hit me on the head.
Oh. I've been York from I.M.S and I.M.A.
I've been Killian, aka True, if you guys know my other one. Might as well plug it in there,
Yeah,
lads.
may as well. Free endorsement.
So I.M.S and I.M.A, we're going to come out with videos probably, maybe weekly. We'll see how this goes. And thank you all for watching.
Thank you.
We'll catch you later.
We're doing my favourite thing. This is my favourite thing to do in videos. No.